Ready to make your skinny jeans jealous? Let's fuel those quads. If you've ever looked down at your legs and thought, man, I wish these were tree trunks instead of twigs, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and muscle building, specifically targeting those legs. Because, let's face it, massive legs don't just look impressive, they're the foundation of true strength and athleticism. Whether you want to fill out your jeans, dominate on the field, or just walk with more confidence, it all starts with what you put on your plate. So if you're tired of being called chicken legs or hiding your lower half, it's time to take action. Let's break down the power foods that will transform your legs from average to absolutely epic. Get ready, because your journey to massive legs starts now. Listen up, Beast Mode crew. This isn't just about lifting heavy or pushing through another set of squats, it's about building a lifestyle that supports your goals from the inside out. You see, the gym is only half the battle. The other half, it's what you eat, how you recover, and the choices you make every single day. Imagine walking into the gym with a squad that's just as hungry for gains as you are, everyone pushing each other, hyping each other up, and refusing to settle for mediocrity. That's the energy we're bringing today. So if you're ready to join the ranks of the leg legends, pay close attention, because the foods we're about to cover aren't just random picks, they're scientifically proven to help you pack on muscle, recover faster, and unleash your full potential. Let's get into it. If you want monster legs, you can't just squat and pray. Sure, squats are king, but even the best workout routine will fall flat if you're not fueling your body properly. Think about it. Your muscles are like a high-performance engine. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a sports car, right? So why would you feed your body anything less than the best? Every rep, every set, every drop of sweat in the gym is only as effective as the nutrients you give your body to rebuild and grow. If you're just going through the motions, hoping for results, you're missing out on the real secret to massive legs. It's time to get strategic, intentional, and laser-focused on your nutrition. Because when you combine smart training with smart eating, that's when the magic happens. Let's unlock the blueprint for leg growth that actually works. You gotta eat smart. It's not about stuffing your face with junk or chasing every new diet trend. It's about choosing foods that are packed with the right nutrients. Protein to build and repair muscle, carbs to fuel your workouts, healthy fats to support hormone production, and vitamins and minerals to keep your body running like a well-oiled machine. Meal prep isn't just for bodybuilders, it's for anyone who's serious about results. When you take control of your nutrition, you take control of your progress. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing meals that are ready to go, perfectly balanced, and designed to help you crush your goals. That's the power of eating smart. So let's break down the 6 foods that will take your leg gains to the next level. Here are 6 foods to get you stacked, fast. Number 1, eggs. Eggs are the ultimate muscle-building food. They're packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and healthy fats. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or even in an omelet loaded with veggies, eggs are versatile and easy to prepare. The protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, which means your body can use it efficiently to repair and build muscle tissue after those brutal leg days. Plus, eggs contain important nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and B vitamins, all of which support muscle function and recovery. Don't be afraid of the yolk, that's where most of the nutrients are. If you're serious about growing your legs, make eggs a staple in your diet. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast or add them to your post-workout meal for maximum gains. Packed with protein and amino acids. Scramble them, boil them, chug them, whatever. Just get them in. 2 chicken breast. Chicken breast is a classic for a reason. It's lean, loaded with protein, and low in fat, making it perfect for building muscle without adding unnecessary calories. The amino acids in chicken breast are exactly what your muscles need to repair and grow after intense leg workouts. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can grill it, bake it, stir-fry it, or even toss it into salads and wraps. Pair it with some complex carbs and veggies, and you've got a meal that will keep you full, satisfied, and ready to tackle your next training session. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and delicious source of protein, chicken breast should be at the top of your grocery list. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a regular part of your meal prep, and watch your legs grow. Classic for a reason. Lean, mean, and fuels recovery like a boss. 3 oats. Oats are more than just a breakfast staple. They're a powerhouse for athletes and anyone looking to build muscle. They're packed with complex carbohydrates which provide a steady release of energy to fuel your workouts and support recovery. Unlike simple sugars that cause energy crashes, oats keep you going strong from your first set to your last. They're also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps you feel full longer. Add some fruit, nuts, or protein powder to your oats for a balanced meal that covers all your bases. Oats are also a great source of important minerals like magnesium and iron, which play a crucial role in muscle function and oxygen delivery. If you want to power through those heavy squats and lunges, make oats a regular part of your diet. Your legs will thank you. Carbs are your friend, bro. Oats give you the energy to crush those lunges and keep growing. 4 Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a secret weapon for muscle growth. It's packed with protein, often double the amount found in regular yogurt, and contains probiotics that support gut health. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, which translates to better muscle gains. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones and muscle contractions. Enjoy it as a snack, mix it into smoothies, or use it as a base for healthy desserts. The creamy texture and tangy flavor make it a delicious addition to any meal plan. Plus, it's easy to customize. Add some berries, honey, or granola for extra flavor and nutrients. If you're looking for a convenient high-protein snack that supports muscle growth and recovery, Greek yogurt is a must-have. High-protein, creamy gains. Plus, your gut will thank you. 5 sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse, especially for athletes. They're loaded with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. The natural sugars in sweet potatoes provide a steady source of energy, while the fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, which supports immune function and reduces inflammation. This is crucial for recovery after intense leg workouts. Roast them, mash them, or bake them into fries. Sweet potatoes are delicious and versatile. They pair perfectly with lean proteins like chicken or salmon, making them an ideal addition to your muscle-building meal plan. If you want to keep your energy levels high and your muscles fueled, don't skip the sweet potatoes. They keep you full and pump your muscles with vitamins. Bonus, they taste bomb roasted. 6. Salmon. Salmon is the king of muscle-building fish. It's packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for reducing inflammation, supporting joint health, and speeding up recovery after tough workouts. Salmon is also a great source of vitamin D, which plays a key role in muscle function and overall health. Grill it, bake it, or enjoy it raw as sushi. Salmon is delicious and easy to prepare. The combination of protein and healthy fats makes it a perfect choice for anyone looking to build massive legs and recover faster. If you want to take your gains to the next level, make salmon a regular part of your diet. Your muscles and your taste buds will thank you. Omega-3s to reduce soreness, and the protein to build big wheels. But that's not all. Salmon also contains important nutrients like selenium, B vitamins, and potassium, all of which support muscle growth and recovery. The healthy fats in salmon help keep your joints lubricated, which is especially important when you're pushing heavy weights and challenging your legs with intense workouts. Plus, the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up the healing process, so you can get back in the gym faster and train harder. If you're serious about building massive legs, don't overlook the power of salmon. It's a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their results and stay healthy in the process. Eat these, train hard, sleep like a champ, and your legs will go from flamingos to rhinos in weeks. But remember, it's not just about what you eat, it's about the whole package. Training hard is essential, but so is giving your body the rest it needs to recover and grow. Sleep is when your muscles repair, hormones are balanced, and your body gets stronger. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night, and don't be afraid to take rest days when you need them. Consistency is key. Stick to your nutrition plan, train with intensity, and prioritize recovery. Over time, you'll start to see the results you've been working for. Your legs will get bigger, stronger, and more powerful, and you'll feel more confident in and out of the gym. It's a journey, but with the right foods, the right training, and the right mindset, you can achieve massive leg gains faster than you ever thought possible. Smash that like. And remember, friends don't let friends skip leg day. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and push you to be your best. Training with friends not only makes workouts more fun, but it also keeps you accountable and motivated. Share your progress, celebrate your wins, and help each other stay on track. Leg day might be tough, but it's also one of the most rewarding parts of your fitness journey. So, grab your crew, hit the gym, and fuel up with these power foods. Your future self and your massive legs will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs a little extra motivation to crush their leg goals. Together, we can build a community of strong, confident, and unstoppable athletes. Now get out there, eat smart, train hard, and make those skinny jeans jealous.